Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Utkarsha. In today's video, we are going to learn about the types of array, that is one-dimensional array and multi-dimensional array. If you are new to this channel, so please do subscribe the channel and do hit the bell icon so that all the notifications of upcoming videos you will get. So let's begin. Types of arrays. In C programming language, arrays are classified into two types. They are as follows: single-dimensional array, also called as one-dimensional array. Second one is multi-dimensional array. So let's see one by one. Single-dimensional array. An array having only one subscript is known as single-dimensional array or single-subscripted array. Single-dimensional array also known as one-dimensional array. Let's see the declaration of it. To declare an array, we will give the data type, then array name, then in front of array name we have to give the size of the array inside the square brackets and enclose the statement by using semicolon. So in single dimensional array we use only one square bracket, that is one single subscript we can say. Okay, so let's see the initialization. To initialization of an array, we need to assign the values according to the size whatever we have declared. So let's see, data type, then array name, then size of the array in square brackets, then we will give the equals to sign to assign the values to the array, right? In curly braces we have to assign the values to the array. Let's see the example of it. As you can see in this example, we are storing integer type of data. Integer is the data type, then marks is the array name, and we have given the size of 6 inside the square brackets. Then we assign or initialize 6 elements as we have declared the size of array 6. So according to that we have assigned total 6 elements. Then we enclose the statement by using semicolon. So in this way we can initialize and declare the single dimensional array. Okay, I hope you guys understand the single dimensional array. Now let's see the multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array, an array having two or more subscript, that is known as multi-dimensional array. As you can see in this declaration, we have given the two subscript, right? One for row size and second for column size. So in multi-dimensional array we have to give the row size and column size. Okay, so that is why it is known as multi-dimensional array, because we have using two square brackets, that is subscript. Okay, and enclosed it by using semicolon. And let's see the initialization. For initialization we have to give the data type, then array name, then row, then columns, column ka size, row ka size, then equals to, in curly braces we have to assign the values of it according to row and column value. Okay, let's see the example of it. So int is the data type, then matrix A is the array name, and 2 is the size of row and 3 is the size of column. Okay, and equals to, we assign the row values and column values. So in this example there are total 2 rows and 3 columns. If we want to put array inside an array, then we used multi-dimensional array. An array could act like a spreadsheet as well. Like if we want to store the customer's data, then we will use multi-dimensional array. So to store the data of customers or employees, we can say this kind of work we can use multi-dimensional array, like 2D array, 3D array, 4D array. These are the different types of multi-dimensional arrays present in the languages, right? So yeah, this is all about the multi-dimensional array and one-dimensional array. Hope you guys understand the concept of this, and if you guys like this video, so please do like and do comment the video